So I want to share with you a little bit about how you can be the type of booth vendor that every mall owner is going to want. And really, this comes down to your mindset and your attitude. And that may sound, a little iffy, like, are those really business tips? But here's what I've learned. So much about running a small business comes down to your attitude and your mindset. So really, you want to walk in to your mall, to your space, wherever you are, with the mindset that you're a team player, that it's not just you by yourself and that you're in competition with everybody around you, but that you're there and you're a part of the team, and all the other vendors in your space are on your team. And you're even a part of the team with the owners. It's not a competition, and it's not the vendors versus the owners. That can so easily start to happen in an antique mall kind of context, and I really think that can be detrimental to your business. I want you to have the attitude that rising tides raise all ships. So if your neighbor booth, and if she's doing really well, that's awesome, because that's going to help your booth do better. And so if you can serve her, if you can encourage her, that's great. We're not competing. We're all in this together. And if you can find a way to serve your mall owners and to help the mall itself run smoothly, that's great. The rising tide of that is going to raise your ship too. If the mall itself is doing well, then your booth is going to do well. Do you see the difference in that you're not just self-focused, but you really want to be focused on how can I serve and how can I benefit others around me? And here's what I've noticed. When you have that sort of attitude and you're there not just for yourself, but to encourage and to serve and to build up the other people around you, then you're going to get that same kind of treatment back. One, you're just going to have a lot more fun. It's going to be an enjoyable environment to be in. And as you are there trying to build up and encourage other booth vendors, then they're going to give that back to you. And it's going to be just a great place to be all around. So have that mindset. Show up and do your work with excellence. Don't be someone who is complaining or who is breaking the rules or the protocol. Do your work with excellence. Follow the rules. Be a blessing to the owner. Be a blessing to the other vendors around you. And watch how that positive attitude begins to change your business for the better.